It's Lee with Storyteller, coming to you from a rainy Pacific Northwest, actually very Pacific Northwest. We're right near Cape Flattery, Washington, the most northwestern tip of the United States, where here in a few minutes we're going to fire up a Storyteller Overland beast mode and drive it just about non-stop to Key West in what we're calling the Vannonball Run. And the Vannonball Run is kind of a take, obviously, on the Cannonball Run, the 1980s hysterical movie where they bombed across the country, breaking every possible law, racing for all kinds of shenanigans, and just a little bit different. The Vannonball Run is sort of a celebration of travel and the freedom to roam across the United States, which we're going to do for the next few days. And the primary goal here for us is raising money for the Red Cross and the hurricane relief. A lot of people don't realize that the Appalachians in that part of the world are some of the most impoverished in the country, and almost nobody in western North Carolina or northeastern Georgia had flood insurance, because in the Smoky Mountains, why would you? So it's bad there, and we want to help a little bit, and we want you to help. So I'm going to ask you, please, please, please go to Vannonballrun.com, press donate now, and let's raise some money together for a good cause. It's totally worth it. Couple of rules on the Vannonball Run. We're not big on rules, but here's what they are. One, everybody has to shower every day. So that's a terrible idea, and we're going to try it anyways. And everybody has to brush their teeth twice a day. That's a really good idea, and we are going to do that. And then we have to basically seek out as many beautiful places and as many beautiful people as we can along the way and have a little bit of fun as we raise money. There's going to be some stops, and we would like for you to meet up with us. We're going all over. We're going the long way. This is not the short route from the Pacific Northwest to Key West. This is the long route. We're going to go all over the country, and we would like you to join us. Go to Vannonballrun.com. You'll see where there's meetups. You can join us. Even better, you can caravan along for an hour, a day, as long as you want, as long as you think you can take it with us. It's going to be great. There's a lot we can do that's good, and I'm going to show you. Pop in the van really quick. We're getting ready to go in just a minute, so we're preparing a little bit of food. Here's our trusty Beast Mode XO. There's Jason Ruha, my trusty companion and traveling mate. And what are you making there, Jason?
Oh, we got fresh lox from the Pacific Northwest that we caught yesterday.
Heck yeah, good. Yeah. So we're going to eat beautifully. We're going to drink awesome coffee. We're going to bomb across the country, but we got to get going. It's pouring down rain here, which is awesome because that's what it should be doing here. We got to split. Talk to you guys later. Vannonballrun.com. All right, let's roll. Let's reset all the computers. We can monitor everything we're doing. Here we go. All right, here we go. 0 miles, 0 hours. We're already making 2.4 miles per gallon. Let's rock. And we're off. Let's go.
First inaugural Vannonball Run.
Yeah, first leg of this, let's see, 6 hours, 294 miles. If we do this right and we don't screw around or get too trapped up anywhere, we will be at the old spaghetti factory in Portland around 5:30 Pacific time today. Hope to see you there.